Cayosoft Guardian provides true hybrid change alerting, so you don't have to buy one product to monitor critical changes on AD on premise and a different one for Azure AD. So I'm currently looking at Microsoft Teams. I was in the middle of a conversation and I got two new alerts. Someone was added to both domain admins and global admins within a couple of minutes, well, within 1 minute of each other. So the first thing I'm going to do is jump over to my Guardian interface. And now I'm looking at Microsoft Guardian and I'm looking at the change history. Let's go ahead and clear change history so I see all my records. And we'll get rid of the groupings. And now I see by time, domain admins had somebody named Albert Einstein added to them, and then global admins, which is also known as company admins, had Albert Einstein added as well. So to clear this up, I have two operations because this is not a synchronization that happened. This is one's a role in the cloud and one is on premise. Simply select Cayosoft, the Albert Einstein in the cloud and click restore. It's telling me that it's going to perform that restore. And then I click the Albert Einstein, which is a member of the domain admins group, and I'll go ahead and restore that as well. Oops, make sure I get the right one. I'll restore that as well. And so I've now just resolved both issues within a matter of moments. And I'll see the changes then come in dynamically. There's my domain admins removal, and you'll see there's the modification. I just simply double click and look to see old or removed values was Albert Einstein. I can do that for both.